Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. In order to help administrators manage a large number of clients, AB Tutor has a built-in inventory system which can allow you to quickly look at the hardware or software in a client machine, or can be used to produce the data for reports, perhaps showing how many computers need to be upgraded, or to ensure that you have enough licenses for a piece of software that you're using. We'll get started by looking at a single device. Select a computer, then click the Inventory item in the Actions panel. The client will immediately respond with an event containing the inventory data for that computer. Select this event, then click on View Inventory in the right panel. For a single computer, the data is formatted for easy readability, with different tabs showing information in the various categories, starting with a basic summary and with more specific information on the subsequent tabs. Finally, the last tab shows a list of all the software installed on the computer. This data can be exported as a simple HTML file using the Export button. This file can then be opened in a web browser. More powerfully, you can display information for multiple client machines simultaneously, allowing you to directly compare machines or to look through the list for any problems. This time, we'll select all of the devices, so when we press the Inventory button, it collects the data from all of them. Next, select all of the inventory results and click Compare Inventories in the right panel to open them all together. This time, we have all the same tabs, but for each one we have a separate column for each computer, allowing them to all be viewed together. Now we have two separate export buttons, one for hardware and one for software. For multiple devices, the data is exported as a CSV file, meaning that it can be opened in a spreadsheet program and manipulated as required. For example, you could sort by available drive space, use conditional formatting to highlight any computers with less than 8 GB of RAM, or count up how many copies of Office are installed across the network. The inventory information that you collect will be stored on the central server like all events. This means that you can also use it to check how a computer has changed over time. To access the event archive, click View Logs at the top of the Events panel. From here, you can specify a date range, select Event Type from the filter drop-down, and then select Inventory Result to program the filter, and finally Fetch to collect the events. Now, if necessary, you can click on the column headers to sort the results, perhaps to allow you to focus on a specific computer, and then select the events you want to compare. As before, you will see either a View Inventory or Compare Inventories option in the right panel, and clicking this will open the same display window, once again allowing you to compare them inside AB Tutor or to export the data. I hope that's been a useful introduction to the inventory system. Do you use it? Is there any other data you'd like the inventory reports to pick up? Let us know in the comments or by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.